Hey, fuck nuggets. While I sand literally the worst fucking box I've ever had to sand, let's talk about the next Bird of the Month box. The box I'm actually working on is the March Bird of the Month box, which was Toucan, but because, I fucking suck at keeping things on a schedule, it's a little bit fucking late. But that's besides the point, because I'm fucking working on it, it's gonna get done eventually, and it's time to vote for the next Bird of the Month box. So, April's Bird of the Month box, which I will desperately try to get done before the end of April, is going to be the Harpy Eagle or the Caracara. If you've never heard of either of these two birds, fucking look it up and then come back and vote. Okay, that's all I got for now. Fuck off. Okay, bye!